Make a great choice today with the 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.